Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to use NoteGPT. Now, NoteGPT is mainly a tool you utilize to turn a YouTube video into transcripts, turn a YouTube video into presentations. So I'm just going to show you guys some of the features on their page. All right. So when you arrive on the page, you get an opportunity to log in. You can log in with your Google account, straight to the point. It doesn't take that much time. So I'm going to show you guys some features that they have. They have a YouTube video summarizer. So if you just click on it, you can come in here and just paste in your YouTube link and you see what it will do. So this is the YouTube link. You click on generate summary. I can see right here, it's beginning to summarize it by taking the transcript and breaking it down piece by piece. Okay, so now this is it right here. So it's broken it down piece by piece. You can utilize this to create blog posts. As you can see, you can just find each of the timestamps right there and screenshot it and then utilize it to create a nice picture for your blog post. So they have this right here. They show you the summary. You have a mind map, and what the mind map does is the mind map is able to connect different parts of the video itself into different blocks. So it's going to show you real quick. All right, so this is the mind map right here. If I just expand this, you can see it shows it to you in different blocks. So this is the place right here: revolving WooCommerce 404, errors on cards, checkouts, and my account pages, and it all connects it back to back here. So I'm just gonna close this down. They also has an AI chat in which you can ask it questions about the video. So let me just say list 3 core points and a supporting arguments from the video. So I'm just gonna click this right here. You can always ask it something else. It doesn't have to be this. So you see it right here. I was able to ask it. It says, based on the provided text content, here are 3 core points with the supporting arguments. So core point 1, creation of essential WooCommerce pages is crucial. And it goes on and on. And so this is a different thing. I can always copy this. So they have a copy icon right here that you can always copy. You can also save this as a note. I can also change this out. So let me just show you more features that it has. You can generate a presentation. You can generate a quiz. So I'm gonna show you guys. Let me show you guys a quiz. I think a presentation will be straightforward. No, let me just show you guys both. So I'm just gonna generate a presentation. And I was able to generate the outline for the presentation. I'm just gonna click on next step. And let me just pick a category. Let me just say education and training. And let me just go with this one right here. Let me go with this one. This is very educational. Next step. And then it's gonna take summaries from the video and apply it to you. So you guys can see what it can do for you. So this is nice. You can always download this as a PowerPoint with animation or PowerPoint with no animation. So these are different parts of it. Pretty nice. Now I'm gonna show you guys the last part you can do, which is I can show you guys generate podcast, but I don't want to waste your time. So I'm just gonna click on generate quiz, and it's gonna be able to take this and generate a quiz for me. So for all you teachers, for example, tutors that create YouTube videos, you can use this to generate quizzes that you can then send out to your student. And all of you that create courses, this is good for you. So as you guys can see, was able to create the quiz for us. So you can ask, say, which 3 pages are identified as the most important when setting up a WooCommerce store? There's a them right here. What does a 404 error typically indicate when trying to access a cart or checkout page? So you can answer all this that you want. You guys can see it's able to create it. And if you answer all this, it's going to show you the ones correct and the ones that are not correct. So I'm just going to exit over here, exit. I just want to show you guys that. Now let's go straight to their price, and they have good pricing tiers. Just click on price. I'm just going to go with monthly. So they have a pre-pricing tiers. So they have a $10 a month tier, which is 1,000 basic quarters a month. You can get all that I showed you guys. And right now they've introduced Nano Banana, but Nano Banana is for the $29 a month price, and you get access to it. You can create Nano Banana slides. They also have a $99 per month tier, and you can have over 208 Nano Banana Pro slides. So you can do multiple things with this. With the most basic plan, I think you'll be able to get the vast majority of things you want, except you want access to the Nano Banana Pro. So it's a good tool. I think you guys should try it out. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.